أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
وهو الذي خلق من الماء بشرا فجعله نسبا وصهرا وكان ربك قديرا.
It is he who has created man from water. Then has he established relationships of lineage and marriage, for the Lord has power over all things. Here, the miracle of the birth of man from a mere sperm drop and the procreation of his offspring from man and woman have been cited as a proof of Tawhid. Though both man and woman belong to the same genus, they are two species, having important common human characteristics, but different physical structures and psychological traits. It is a proof of Tawhid that the all-powerful Allah has used this difference for making the two as complements and not antagonists. It is also the design of the all-powerful Creator that He is creating sons and daughters in the world in due proportion. Then the sons marry and create blood relationships, and the daughters are married and become means of forming new relationships. This process goes on widening to produce families, tribes and nations belonging to the same race and bound by the same civilization. The verse has also a subtle suggestion. The entire life is being run on the principle of difference. For example, the difference between the night and the day, the summer and the winter, etc. Therefore, O Muslims, you should patiently endure the differences you are having with your opponents, for these are certain to produce good results. The perspective conveyed in the passage highlights the divine power and authority of the Creator, emphasizing His role in the creation of humanity from water. It underscores the profound significance of lineage and marriage, as ordained by God, illustrating His sovereignty over all aspects of human existence. The verse invites reflection on the divine design in creating humans, establishing familial relationships, and affirming the omnipotence of the Lord in shaping the course of human life.